Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to extract audio from any video, either from YouTube, Facebook, or TikTok. Okay, first things first, let's start by extracting audio from a video file that is already on your PC. Just simply upload the video file from your device to Movavi or any editing application that can split the audio file to the video file. Once the video is uploaded, just wait for it to load, then right-click on the video and select the Touch Audio. This will then separate the video and the audio file. After that, you now have two separate files, one video and one audio. To keep only the audio, just click on the video file and select Delete or press the Delete key. With the extracted audio file, you can still make changes, such as adjusting its playback speed, creating an audio loop, or applying various settings in the equalizer menu. Now that you have your audio file ready, just click on the export button, and in the export format, select audio instead of video. Click on export video, and within just a few minutes, you can download the audio file to your device and use it in any video that you want to use it. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now extract audio from any videos like YouTube, Facebook, or TikTok. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling!